friends, welcome back to Aeshi's Hastkala. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make multi-purpose stand. Okay friends, if it is in this posture, you can put your phone in this way or in this way. And here in this place, you can put your earphones also like so. So it is multi-purpose, and if you remove this and take out this piece of cardboard, so it is your pen stand or a flower vase, and you can even put your jewelry or whatever you want. Okay, and if you place this piece of cardboard here and you throw a ball in air, so you can catch it and it will go inside. So it is a game also for you. And when you insert this piece of cardboard again to its place, so it is your phone stand. So friends, today I am going to show you how to make this multi-purpose stands. For this, you will need a cylindrical piece of cardboard here, and you will need cutter, okay, a pair of scissors and glue, and some materials. It is as per our imagination or creativity. We will also need some foam sheet. I am using glitter foam sheet, and even you can use your craft papers also. So friends, let's get started. So friends, in first step, we have to divide our cylindrical shape into half, and mine is 21 centimeter and its half is 10.5 centimeter. So let us cut it. But friends, there is a be careful while cutting this. If you will cut your finger or anything, so it will be very painful to you. And friends, this is a tip for you. So let us cut it. And if you are a small baby or whatever, so make sure to cut this with your parents or with your elder brother or sister. So friends, we have divided this into two halves, and we have to leave this bottom part as it is, and we have to cut this into half again. And friends, be careful again while cutting. Okay. And friend, the piece we have to cut into half, we have to cut it vertically. So friends, this is done. As first of all, we cut two pieces horizontally from the whole cylinder, and after it, from one half, we cut one half vertically as I told you. And friends, again there is a tip for you. If these edges are uneven, you can see here, so you can use a sandpaper to make it even like so, and we have to scrub it. So friends, now that's the time for to cover our bottom part of cylinder, and for that I am using my foam sheet and taking my bottom part of cylinder here. And next we gonna need is measuring tape. So friends, first we gonna measure our this part of cylinder, and this is 11 centimeter. So now put a mark on 11 centimeter. Okay friends, now put a mark on 11 centimeter as you can see here, and then we have to take measurement of this full roll. Okay, and take the measurement, and mine is approximately 22 centimeter. Here you can see, so let us mark at 22 centimeter here to the 22 centimeter. Okay, so friends, I had put in some dot at the measurement which is 11 by 22 centimeter, and now we have to cut it. So friends, in our next step we have to cover this our bottom part. Okay, so let's cover it. So now we are going to cover it by putting some glue here and roll it. Like so. So friends, it is getting dry, and again there is a tip for you to put some clips or rubber bands while it is getting dry, so it will be perfect. And always take a piece of cloth with you oftenly, because we are using glue and all these things to clean your hands. So friends, while the bottom part is getting dry, we are covering this semicircle, and I had already measured it, and mine is 10 by 12 centimeter, and we have to put some dots at some space, and then we have to cut it. So friends, I had cut my foam sheet, and now we will wrap it around here in this way by having some glue. So let us start by putting some glue. So let us put some glue on all the three sides of this, and now let us cover it. So friends, in next step we are needing pair of scissors and our covered semicircle, and in next step we are putting some cuts of square shape on two ends like here. So friends, in this way we have to make two squares at the two end, and now we are going to cut it. So friends, I cut mine in this way, and then we are gonna need our cylinder. Okay, and now we will insert it in this way, and first of all we are gonna to cover this part also with our glitter foam sheet. So let us cover it, and then I will meet you. So friends, mine is done as you can see here, and now we are gonna make one line to attach this to here. So let us measure first of all this. Okay, and we are using scale over here, and let us measure it, and it is approximately 8 centimeter. So we are gonna make a line in the center here, in the center 8 centimeter. Okay, we are gonna draw a line of 8 centimeter. So let me draw first. So friend, I had put a cut over here after drawing the line, and I can easily make this in here. You can see. So it is almost done. So next step is to cover this part with our foam sheet. So let us measure this circle and then we are gonna attach it. So this stand will be done. So friends, I had make a circle over here and now we are gonna cut it, and again be careful while cutting, and you can also cut little bit more. Okay, so friends, I cut my circle and now we are gonna attach it over here in this way. So let us put some glue over here and then we are gonna attach it. So friends, mine stand is done. As you can see, here we can put our phone in this way. Okay, and we can also put our earphones over here in this place which is given. We can also put our earphones over here and the phone is here. We can see any kind of video. And after removing this and the piece of cardboard like so, it's your pen stand or flower vase, or you can also put your jewelry in here. And after putting this over here, it is a game for you. So friends, our multi-purpose stand is done. And now we are gonna decorate it, and it is as per our imagination, as I am going to decorate it with this and this googly eyes. So it is up to you as per your creativity. So friends, my all multi-purpose stand is ready. Here is the phone, here is earphone. By removing this piece of cardboard, it's our pen stand and flower vase, and I had decorated it with googly eyes and a piece of foam sheet. Okay, and you can put your pen, scissors, whatever you want, like this marker, whatever you want, you can put it here in. So it is looking very good. So friends, in the end of this video, I want to thank you all to see this video. Okay, and okay, so friends, once again thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you don't yet, and please give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any query, so let me know in the suggestion box given below. So friends, thank you for watching, and friends, share my videos with your family members, friends, as much as you can, as much as possible. And friends, sorry for the delay of my video because I was busy in my primary examinations. And friends, thank you for watching, and remember that art has no language. Thank you, friends.